Jo wanyama nuko wa tashi plugger ba ngene woni ni egbe tashi superstar ko me ko sham o was money e chegbe ko ni etun ogbo mopote ni njile no mo bia na oja plugger no
kini ba nu ye bole ngbe ji ni playboy no ji make chom oni shi ngbe den jeji Patrick ni Matelaye
because get Patrick ni Matelaye nja get tashi gbugba no bi jiwo nja get tashi no clone get tashi studio mi be in like ko kra aka tashi plugger be tashi no to mo tashi plugger all right ka get ni playboy na mo ji ni playboy
okay ni playboy is an artist
all right
and a producer, a songwriter, and a record label owner.
Owner record label.
Yeah.
You talk about your record label ni at least or your artist come any bon or groom under your record label.
I have over like 5 artists.
Record label not my fee system because you know record label.
Was started to 3 months ago.
Talk about new record label ni
new record label, yeah.
Okay. But then che can demeanor like body you check and if o mo ko ni dietitian ani o dietitian
dietitian afọ me dietitian.
Afọ bọjẹ dietitian o yin dietitian o ti school dietitian o gbina like o dietitian.
Mo na kan na o.
O na mi to very.
Na go dietitian.
Tẹ́sí no kúrò yìí jí yìí rárá jẹ́ akọ̀wé ní òtá bí ẹni náà jẹ́ bí àná àfọ́ mi ǹda ẹ̀ bí ẹ̀ inú fẹ́ náà tẹ́sí ní òbí jí mi kúrò.
Nígbà yín bí ẹ dáhùn yẹn.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n ní akọ̀ bá yẹn àkójọ ẹ̀mí dáhùn sí olé mi àkójọ náà. Wọ́n jẹ́ akọ̀wé ọkọ̀ tó wọ́n náà jẹ́ akọ̀wé. Ṣìkẹ́ òkè ọ̀dà ìtẹ̀sí mi tó máa bí wàá gẹ̀ẹ́sì àní òhì ọ̀yà gẹ̀ lálá ní òfin ọ̀nì tẹ́sí mẹ́ wàá yẹn hàn ní ọ̀tún superstar.
Tẹ́sí mẹ́ àmì àní ọ̀tún superstar wọn wọ̀ nto superstar cause ni babon la fi mo nle la ye fi an teshi mo be teshi ni ba ke le mi
okay
ona ni okay already teshi e fi superstar
okay no ne woni mi bi ona gan ja ge ona ge Ghana artist ko menu wo yo wo la ge wo big ko che big artist no ko to mo sa ko de je gano jile shin le eke temade je mo ko to mo out to be ko ti me je ga me ja me sha mo ha me ga me report tema tema fe na yo fe gan ko be je ni report tema mo ko to mo cheta wale e ke le ko le gono ke ni ma gbeje me fe mo ko to mo ni stone boy like ashama bi ke le hwe kra no ni mbi oba ke ohi oyo ake teshin gbe ko ke fun no aba na make bu as an artist ni bo to e no ke she
yeah iba je mi wale no
all right
ke ni infio okay ke beni infio le
okay
yeah
we what me ko teshin okay wo so me wo teshin me an wo ka fun wo no asin wo we teshin blog to an teshin wo so teshin okay artist ko po eje teshin ni lewun e she ni to wona she career mi e asin teshin blog e wa ngo wona no an bi obu questions ko me like or like no that teshin and artist ko me teshin ko kwe like I'm inspired ko feel ni no bia ne ola
mi inla eche
ola eche okay
but artist jin ko me teshin ni suma me sande ni bu am to for some time
oh okay
ona ni yeah mo go to mo rebel star
ni teshin boy rebel star
nda mo shineke ni teshin boy perform
yeah
ni simo teshin boy la wa den che serious trust me ni indomoshi ni perform
no kwele
in feel performance ni na she one day man ma fe ni ma fe ki aso
nto age be je ngme na obo teshin boy kwa mu
teshin boy bole to bole to
ni we expecting collab e bo teshin boy very soon allo la ga attempt to fi ko
ke e ba o wa fe
recently ne social media ba fe gidigidi fi o ni ji ni playboy ne no o ye mi ni o pe ne kra o ke fans ni tun agesin ko ba online fans bi esan do attack yo ni tun agesin no ni you all ni you agesin
am attack mi attack
okay call like artist ko fans ba attack yo ni bo call the personal ni ko lo ya mi ha artist asin no ni se no o ke fans afi o ka me fe show work ba artist bi anu ka bo ko mini di bo mini yo ni o feel like ani personal o try artist
okay artist ingele ku ba ingele be personal ko can be man marriage o get ingele ku lele
okay
ona for the past years ni in film music no me do o support them lele ake o nike you understand me o won kele ku but ingele
be ni man bi allo social media bi na ake okay dada you want your beef nye be beef crash nye ku bom
o da wo be beef ingele be beef ku
okay because dada you want land trendy a bang like banger ni ye if e bonjo na gela la e session man bi wi la you know no drop la kwa get no dey share gamen fe moji asoposon o yeso age e ko han
ona ke lala ni fie o fo bo buto di gba
o lala le mboto e
ko bolla to e onan chinkam ko ewi it's a general message ona ni message ele oni it's a very good message ni ke wo buto e wo ba kase ni ba wa wo
okay
wo ba improve ona ni no ji message ni put out but I don't know why ni make me call it so personal
allo bodenche o use la ke fe pia ke han bola because no ma wi na kan ja ke like time ni la trend here no drop like an verse personal age artist in drop your support allo je gbe no drop like an verse ko na bola la fin to because according to boy o fe EP wona na drop like la
ona ke EP if you want to drop EP ne je ngene
okay
get me if you want to drop EP in birthday the 30th November ona ni due to some one or two things come on king baba December
okay
so EP if you want to drop EP omo do you get me
yeah
but can come about me can ma drop EP no drop your one song before EP no lala ni me you an kwale je ngene record
okay
you record the
all right
because of agenda ni yo EP ona ni lala beletumo mi point moko
okay
le wo no ani drop la
okay
shin lala in fin market mi drop omo
okay
because of the concept of the EP and mama fee
all right
ona ni mi to ma wo teshin music here at the top
okay
noji EP
all right
ni noji the single song ni drop before EP aba
okay and eminent personal question before Mali Abyss need or artist Abyss before Mali Abyss I think 2023 ni dada you want to drop Lala Jinko many Abyss Allah hale so all of a sudden recently every man Abyss here both side Abyss a free artist na lobo or artist personal piano
over PMG artist ni
PMG artist from before I discover learning PMG by here
oh Abyss mele lomo
Ali Abyss as in
illa panshimo lela
okay
get me she be ani ke bo yo na Abyss PMG
Abyss is na PMG
agumle
okay obe no me ni e show kan here me just ke illa ha kan she je anda eni no ko na kale ntu no ko she just illa
me for me I don't know why she artist is Abyss anda label ko
okay
get me no ni leji if you panshimo lela you get
because obla you a future wa kenye mu emu ba she shon
ona ke
no
ko ni menu nshine ona ke ko onam ko ni to bro ke talent wa no tunu ko
mi na ge ko le be mi le mi na manage artist
ole o try impo
o da
so ato mu ko ni elefe ona ni ene ni ani artist pi ni yo teshi na me talent amina walo
okay
o get me no mu go to my business kin sani ke o wale ni o ko ba wale won sani o wale egbe papa no
okay
ni to anke o le the channels ni o ko ba ko recently ko ba ko eni bi ye o na ke gele move from somewhere to somewhere that is something nice ona ni ni okay ni tu mo ne fe
vocals can be come fe still more extra
over 10 songs
me come feel like Abyss a tune auto tune
the auto tune ona ke
Charlie
production side I need be come as a producer ona ke for some time ne ko ba na wa ko voice ona auto tune them too much
okay
ona ni noji the work of a producer
okay
she first ko wana ke auto tune bi egbe mi le felt me egbe afio robot ona ni ndo la no kwale beni me na ale na kan ni auto tune na ka um okay artist Abyss naturally a voice a good voice o work o tune your vocals here esa na ko auto tune type ona ni
all right she tashi manem no yo ne asa tashi plug ke nti mami artist ni ina keke afi program ni mambi ke international artist ni mambi bole to waji Graham D ila ke bo sell Graham D ha me allo am small Graham D boji first person na ke Graham D ba manem te ofele ten because je Ghana you ni kile
okay no then imagine okay shout out to Graham D
all right
Graham D is like a brother to me
oh wow
ni to video you an kwale ko ba teshin Gamdi la ye if je ta shipe.
If you na pe ke perform na la le
gan ko pa no fe. Gamdi la ye je bi ake mi de wo. Mi tun ake be wo man bi e wo some good music. Mo le good music.
Okay. Okay, get it.
Shibe what je ni yo mi. Amana me desire ga shi am ba me good music.
Okay.
Ona ni no effect mo. Mi to ono ko. Shimbo han mi.
Okay.
No ke am be choice. Sama mom na kai.
Okay.
No na me get bo. Ila go get you.
She
because we na me do Gamdi la wa sele bi.
The film na pe.
Na me la top to down.
A to Z. Be me here pico, be no clever pico enje me. Ni be na perform o la yen nu ko dan bo fe na enje be ni me la.
Ni twa ke woman be they want good music.
They want good music, yeah. Lela na kwalo
yo. Artist ni yo wo teshi ame fe na kan. Lela no wo fe bona. Top to down, I mean laughing.
Yeah, she inyami okay artist if you good music. She but don't make claims ko na get ala asopochon. I feel good music, fine. Good music what witness p ye tashine ke ga popa no ne kenche kra ma cha do tete ni masa ma che adani best e la good music wa ni lo even poni je ganoji le ni kwa onu le poni just still le ga e ke bala ni e la ga hu she wa mo ni sana amena la kan wa mo mi no ni still o suma ke shi o ke ga me aka me la tuma me alo mi no to na me fi ga me mi no mi la la beton to na me fi
ona ke ke la ba travel me no ni believe yoji o sound
okay
ke language
I'm trying production side there
ke message
okay
no ni an la ya shon
okay
especially to mo you Gamdi ne bona a type of sound if you ke message ni ke wo ke a production
yeah
no jinu ko ni ko obuto no onyo skip
wa buto
no ni sell artist
okay
ka gbene no ni sell town
okay
okay because Gamdi la she be obato no ko any Gamdi je
yeah
no ke Gamdi je teshin be o sell teshin
okay
oni your good music is in the form of message
okay
a sound
okay
they carry
okay
oni especially profane words can be
all right
good music
oh what when we like what settings na African settings profane words come na use for je good music
oni
je good words ni
no me na like good music what artists new or teshin we can do
okay
what le femu artists be teshin na me le femu and record most of them
okay
ni ile na banya me fe
si inyemi ko ke apa asopola mu alo asopa limit le ekole artist if na me grow up if many na me na get they are making waves with music am fi asopo no na me hu am channel am energy ke asopo side there that doesn't mean ake asopo onye make am superstar alo no to join ya
o fene nshima mi ka apa asopo femu
okay
ni mind you action o fene o tabi ni ama piano ba
yes sir
na ama piano ba ama piano olieneje
South Africa
eje South Africa
yeah
asopo mu banye je bieni asopo put nje ni wo chole asopo is a dance
yeah
o get me
yeah.
But loji no ni wo ma be classify na kind type of music
yeah
you be any
yes sir
no matter name fe name do ma no ko ke o promote lo dugba with good message ke good sound and quality sound mbe so ayeke ama piano a promote ile na kan ko e ba ya worldwide ni by this time o fun o can jam
okay
ona ni no asopo abanya promote le with good message si wo nyeme ni obi e come message nam ke wa me la the kind type of la jam enye eseli ne ya shon la je to get me
oh ko ke message come o la come won ke mboto sometimes o make your work and way say come ni bo nchola ge ne ke message ni ekule code mo mama mi ko papa yin o yue na kametu mo ekule la ko no ge o chede ko no ge no go ajama inu wa tele no la
ajama onu ajama
si oh recent ma tele la ko awe alala man chola la ila anto mboto ma tele si bo yin age wa aje
ona ge
o yue bo mi yue example ni ya okay no ko to mo la no ko ni bo la ge ka odomo nu pa ko yin onyo ga ge ajoko ajama la ge o get no ni to ma yue
okay ona music ko obun yi pie to e obana nchi ife lala ni mo fian mo no sumo ba ko em
okay o fi ha mo fi mo
ife ha mo fian mo
okay
ona ni
all right
shi ajoma no nu
she ama clear
ka ke ajoma je no go phone
all right
ona ni ka ajoma je no go phone o kinche ajoma Ben you try get me you no ko. So no follow la.
Follow la. She be talk like where is the me no me.
It's not a profane word.
She won't be no really style no get really. Abalaka ke profane.
Dey profane. Adoma wo language wo gan.
Oh yeah. O get it. Adoma le wo fe wole.
But fun ba yen fe la. Na ba nya me use.
No oni me you like dance all music ni wo but when wo fin wo call shey profanity song you like dance all we mo.
She je wo we mo.
Je wo we mo ni shi nkabo wo no wo shi. Sike alaya gam you ko me wa alaya ko e ba nto ba age ye mo gbogbo ye. She like can we say no na la.
Oh sure.
Oh. It's so much go plug it. It's so much be. That's some vibes can tell me ke divi na me la. But wo fe wo la ge.
I mean,
she still there is selling.
It is part of them.
Okay.
Who gets me?
But it's part of them, but they've taken over the world. I mean, I'm a few show every country now as I'm a seller show.
Promotion.
You any we are not here on about your promotion. You can more so be about I mean me I'm a better I'm a promoting now get winning.
Need dance all started. Agency no I use profanity.
Okay.
Who gets me? I start get equal some level.
Okay.
Then you share na level. No okay we go start no start kaka ko boy.
Mo go back aka she ko ke ala me no have gospel mo.
Kenke ala
ko ke akpa profanity na mo me no have gospel mo ko ba bi.
Okay, profanity I be na you ole.
Okay.
Ona ko ya tu ro na gan. So mwe ko.
Conversation here turn go crow ya let the wo gbasade. She ayawi like I know sani wo ya le. Sani one man be here. Amenu no ya no issue because but again ekole to me no you meant well ni according to when EPA o drop le allow compile EPA then even put in again la na bon trend mo.
Oh, in feature.
No, you might believe it because time no bon EPA promote me. See, la ya he tell me no but drop like a verse do ke fi video to no timi.
Dabi. No talk my come go drop la. Ni fin ma drop EP ni ken. Mo la la won ka drop EP.
Oh no to aga shi anya drop your la ya be ko we no na la to mo ni Stonebwoy abome dey fear e ke you go ba mi ko mi po ko le abuntu e.
Ona ke o le achi me pe drop la. Before then la no turn na drop ni a drop.
Awe.
No ke na kan me un la na drop ni a drop na kan la me o ba ken kam ni yo.
She ni won to ni.
O le achi recently me drop couple of songs in trend. Ekotumo ni mi shakwa.
Yeah.
Ba ke drop la.
Drop la fi.
No la ni drop ni. Me no e ka single we.
She sa kwa be ja so bonela.
Dia so bonela se como style of na production mi fi.
Ja so boni wole ko he.
No ni nka kishi. Na kan style of music ebe no ni bia amateur la support.
Okay.
No ni shakwa fi.
Okay.
But como bi ni shakwa fi la.
Yeah, okay.
Shakwa e fi le. No ko ni ke ete Côte d'Ivoire. They can vibe with the song. Do you understand me? Ni noji ni bi ni ba nye promote.
Okay, ga.
O get me.
Get you. Asopọ la ebe no make promotion awo mi ko ni la.
Make promotion o profanity on fato.
I reduce profanity la. She o yo mo no yo fe some of also for biji bolele.
Asofo biji ni.
O fa ne ba o ke wa ji na get no one still o turn I reduce profanity e fe try get.
O da bi.
So say mo no na sia.
Je to say mo ni akan me sia gbe fan gbe. But in believe if you are starting with something when you start with something most people are against it. Ona ni club a win moko so onye ni okay profanity agency no ka win so on to sell ne ke asopo na po on to sell onye okay profanity a fail ne.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to do it in a certain level in that type of music. Okay enjoy ya shoko ni mo ote o feature gram de nke vuvuzela. Okay. Ko kwenda kan style of music here ona ga je tashipe.
Okay.
Music needs an every country they will love it.
Okay.
She no ni be na wa meto la sokpo.
Yeah.
La to get. Yeah.
She Playboy. Me bi ageshin. Tashi music mini nye lakio ne ebahani tashi music amashi. Ko ni at least no ni nyetawo nyeni ni ache no.
On like ni kasemo.
Ni kasemo. Okay.
Most artists ni yo tashi amesimo na mikasio ni.
Wow.
Ke o to ameni amena letmo. They have to take it
personally. Mokobabi who is the teacher? No money choni.
Ona ke otoni okasini kuna.
Yeah.
You have every right to do research, especially ko to ke ni ashon.
Okay.
Ona ni.
Obo no jam fe research. Ko ka mo money kasem. We fe no teacher ko e ni choni mo ko money bole to yi.
Okay, me na ha ni. In you ake mo ko money kasemo. No ni ani ina ake mo ko money kasemo ji. E fe no ko ni no so efio improve e na ka efie ni no ni improve but still no efio o get me ke onye do no to solutions you both your bad advice you know about to solutions
all right jinisani nika mo fe mo le ko kasi o de da na o le oni hi shimo ni nyana support nyege fe onyala teshini asin onupa ni o teshini at least am ameke am smaka me wa teshini am ye mekume na me invest in music me teshini
yabi
si nye fair approach ko ya onupa ko na ba support ni aba
sometimes minikin it's more I don't like to approach people like that because sometimes you make me your perceptions go ni you have to first approach puno by approach I'm a first approach but it will drive you away.
Oh, okay.
To my especially you know touching you could need to support already. You could in trouble. You mean you talk about touching kawaii. About young money what the so those are yeah. No, I don't think actually if Nakanji Beni other countries here I'm one big men say Twitter me.
But do you think I get equally impressive investors say that much no one
okay like wala la unu of your impressive
because
no anyone know you
because back when any omoyele she dey drop la na aga he is a serious artist but na aga sha no
no me to make no bona ke ogbon yi pie to bi ayi no yen $2,000 oga wo mu
oh no try again yeah no try me yet like a scanning me to manage artist here the music interest in music because Kembo sounded to a production put serious ni Playboy no tabi ene can no small artist
I no be small artist
you no be small artist because no one you like gagashin you can produce yourself bro je wa yola do produce we ni ke man to no on management jo ba ṣùgbọ́n je no wa se no tai
ni male la won ya me
ni management be na fi na be I make your effort allo
I mean now works most of the time
or sometimes
a lot of management they approach me but okay. I'm a qualifications okay. I mean ni I'm a tower ke be na me to am treat me can be
mwe o ye plug want to know check to management ko no ayo e ko la ma na
oh davi
osmo no ba cha me be
I would love to keep it private because of no ko
okay in get
on abis
yeah
to 3 management e reach there be I know
wow so o ma ko
because of I mean to am feel Kabini amesema me artist I don't like it.
Abi se no na ro ko Abis gbe no me ways and Abis egbe ngon wa. Anytime ni Abis voice aba plug no comment ni na. Ni like la we video ko melo.
Yeah.
Comment ni na ha ni na gashin girl e future. O ngba ne fanya mo emi joba.
Oh Abis yeah okay any yo.
Okay.
Obana po ni a drop ko lenche a work. But on na with people's work here.
All right.
They love it. Even many fear on the originator of the work here, they're in love with what the guy has done. Yeah. Which means I can be PMG to new job.
Oh, you over more she I mean artist be attached to watch Abis that you want the Vuvuzela only artist la she for local collaborations now in track my name in collaboration what for now mini hani balena
kan Beni wo man yo na won to oni wo session
okay
nke kwa ke to wo cafe wo collaborations
yeah
but ke okwe the sound ni wo put out
all right
ye bi eni be ke ma feature wo san wo fe sound ni bi on ba so no
okay
ni no ha ni wo ta e ko mi okay o get me ke kwa ke feature no ba fe na nke my tom ge feel like call no o ba no
hey, want to no release the concrete plug no. Okay, my tongue kin lala.
Mo fiamu ni ba nu da kan la ba na ke.
My tongue get versatile. All right. But I am no call test plug no be exclusively. I release news plug no. Cho get ni Playboy ke my tongue kin lala. Nya expect la lala. Nya mark F1 shi. Get 10 years for about release because o me la kan lala shi maybe okay that don't you want the banana feature how.
Oh. I mean, it depends on the sound. If the sound is good,
you will do it.
I'll do it.
Okay, so okay, but no, we are fine. Depends on the sound. All right, and mini on next project in Bo, if you're any, man, be I expect. I'm a call.
You drop EP Friday,
Oh wow. Nchago EP na almost 4 days back. Yeah, all music streaming platforms.
Yeah, if you
Spotify,
Apple Music. No to call ni Playboy.
What about YouTube? Audio slides can become available.
Yeah, if you
all right.
Okay.
The
title of the EP is Gan Mayo.
Yeah. Gan Fan Mayo.
Ni Playboy. Gan Mayo.
Yeah. Or if I am any quotation plan ni Playboy. It drop a EP. John Gan Mayo. If I line your EP no.
If I know 8 songs.
8 songs. Okay. Or by EP I mean like I support you no. No, I support me.
Yeah, no.
No, me the title.
I told facts.
Facts, okay. Facts, yeah, EP. And you know number.
Yeah, number 4.
Okay, last number I'm going or suspect.
Oh, that'll be a number 4.
You know, I get recently, I want about live at TikTok. You try to get face cam in BP. You try to say, I want to support you. Okay, I want a relationship.
Oh, okay. So, me no coming for you, Mowaji. Coffee, no question, no believe.
All right.
Because Shatawale born ni become no today.
Okay.
Like 3 years way back. In a energy ni ke won be am.
All right.
Ni fi go ni believe won we wo. Ni bi ni isusu en dem fe ba mo.
Okay.
Because no ni ba ni Shatawale kemi ba wi ni e ba recognize me na kan e je hard work ni nke wo inu tumo.
All right.
Ona ni.
All right.
Ka go ni la won sound won ni infio.
Okay.
Shatawale ani liagishi. These are the kind of sound Nissan Warfare.
Okay.
Who can motivate you there?
Okay.
Because we are no youth, we are too many. I need learning, but motivate them.
Okay.
Ona ni. So, madu privilege ni ibada ofen onumo kumi niji shata wale.
Okay.
Ngba jole wa ke.
Okay.
Opportunity ni am ka gbeni lawon ni a believe in me. Sound can mean sound ni feel
or like I work on project kuno clever fee allo miniji okay way forward
ke eba kim verse
all right
ni I'm hoping I should baba reality oni ni me touch me fin ke gambi fin ke fans bi fin am me shamere oni
all right yo be anyame no ko touch plug no mo fe money ye ni Playboy mo a tag Shatawale a post nation ya wonu mu ele agachi touch plug o ke ni Playboy ke e feel ole wa no fe no fi ale fin e na e wa don shin e wa pale fa ke e bless le to me ke ba bless le yani blessing about reality ni Playboy ke no mu e wa don.
Thank you so much.
all right we go was an gbamba na gbe no ni Playboy ko o shout out ko no ko ha me ko me ani egbe plug.
Okay, big shout out to Teshi plug.
Respect.
Ni we any le noji the fair shout out imale because me to my ni Teshi plug and Teshi improve.
Oh really?
Yes.
All right.
Ye Teshi plug pe. All right. Ona biane benina Teshi ni Teshi improve in the media space in action yeah. Then things can change.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, well big shout out to Teshi plug and other media platforms ona ni enye bomode wa kan teshi agben le second le won PMG na PMG team BFN Black Lupin
yes,
Young Money Clone Ricky Abyss ona why men we UK ni they are part of PMG
all right.
Ona ni no shout out to them agben le won ni Jata Obimpon big shout out. Ona ni agbeni lewon inu mokume oni in appreciate all wa ni is very positive.
All right.
Ni sumo sane wa ji Numo Khalifa.
Oh, we don't know ni Khalifa le mo fe bo la get positive or le ko get positive or
sumo sane wa I like the way ni put your message out.
O fe wo big man. Teshi fe wo big man. Me den che Teshi plug in big man ji Khalifa. Le positive mind. Ewo wale libi no na no watch one everything like wa ka o ba nyo fi ni won fi
no quality
yes sir okay what put Teshi be on
ona ke ko yen me to mo ke me
yes sir
ni ame it's better just capel but can ame advise
yeah
ona ko obun la to ye oba no again ke ni Jata Obimpon ke imbe size
yeah
le we motivate me wa
okay
yeah je personally to mo ke le we mo
oh yeah
but even if you motivate me okay yeah Me too, I can get somewhere. Yeah.
All right.
No, God will bless them.
All right.
So much I've been a touchy beef.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
In your principle, you are.
Ni play boy before when you back when I go drop Mbappe.
Mbappe.
Oh, drop Mbappe. Meaning Mbappe okay counter or look alike because man be eke oje Kwame Eugene. Ni Kwame Eugene drop Lamine Yamal. Basa be eke ameto. She can Real Madrid fans say I'm a baller. I mean, we thought save Real Madrid fans here because
me failure I am fans.
But
ni be ni fans by request. No, ni ma fair.
Meaning Real Madrid.
Me, I'm not a fan of football, but Real Madrid did things.
Okay, all look alike get drop Real Madrid. Ni one of pass a beer okay nya. No, I can't I wanna guy.
You can't any. Ni fans be okay. I'm small. Ni me fair.
Okay.
When I can drop EP check. See them request no.
Okay. Or me we drop Mbappe.
Ma drop le what?
One more time.
Ma drop le what bucket.
All right. Yo but anya me nu ko touch plug no. Ni playboy ke Mbappe. E ba like, e ba drop le what. E follow. Or ne Barca fans FN afa Lamine Yamal our counter like Mbappe.
Lala ngo. It's a very nice.
Yeah, Lamine Yamal is a good game e be get women again no get sun lala.
Mbappe o buti.
Mbappe mbo to wa. No ni bi ba get show the ball counter lo.
Yeah, spiritual.
Mbo to wa den che. Yeah. Chale o feel like obo mo den wa because quick like time frame no get fe. So o gba agajo get bi fe.
Yeah, over. We are in over 500 songs.
No release go.
Ni release go.
Why, Charlie? Charlie, they show me Sunday. No every year, near God will drop or produce no release them or like I can one catch me.
Oh, David, in your time, I know for you.
But I never know what touch plug and I'm going to get neat playboy. Yeah, touch plug no. Get o ni onu ko nu e bomode no actor akora mi na what I say gbe ni onu agbona we ke oto ni o style o itwe o je wa na pedicure manicure ke no fe no ya JT hairstylist agbona we ko oto no ko football ye heko no e ba job comfort style ni obana drinks ke ni ni restaurant papa ko ni okwembo e jeme ya Augusta o teshin adro mi no I mean I'm make sure ke teshin plug e ni bi ni wo fi on of e ya no smoothly. Yeah,
Agbenu ke o to am ko itabu professional the clone the baba yeah ko to lala papa o to agrumibo no feel good music about
PMG sharp PMG record label I make am drop record label call like a good artist jibwe send him all like PMG ke bubu to ni like you are good can produce mo watch artist send to no superstar ni Ninyana as a superstar. Fans sending your comment or anyhow your comment section can you reduce salary because artists be a problem. So your comment any grow they get beef in online or I can't find they can comment our way. Never buy your touchy plug.